If you have a credit card in your wallet right now, one small mistake could quietly cost you over $10,000. Most Americans don't even realize they're doing it.
Credit cards can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Mistake number one is missing payments. This destroys your credit score instantly. In fact, over 50% of Americans carry a balance. High interest will trap you. Call to autopay. Millions of Americans are drowning in credit card debt. Eye-watering interest rates are the biggest culprit. Only paying the minimum keeps you trapped. Frictionless spending tout thinking, making it way too easy. Use the Avalanche. Tack it today.
Credit cards can be tricky. APR is your annual rate, but banks charge interest daily if you don't pay. Pay in full during the grace period to avoid it. Only paying the minimum is how banks make money.
Here are the top 10 rules for smart credit card use. First, always pay on time, and remember to keep your utilization low, recovering annual fees, foreign transaction fees, and cash advances. To avoid these unnecessary costs, always pay on time and read the fine print.
Used responsibly, premium cards turn everyday business expenses into exclusive travel rewards and significant cashback, all without ever paying interest.
Debunking credit myths. Closing a card does not always help your score, and relying on minimum payments is a mistake that costs you more in the long run.
The 5 major factors are payment history, utilization, credit age, mix, and new credit.
By following these simple monthly habits, you can maximize your rewards, drastically improve your credit score, and achieve true financial freedom.
The consequences of missed payments are severe: late fees, collections, and a damaged credit score. But financial recovery is possible with the right strategy. The biggest mistake young men make is falling into the debt trap. The crucial advice? Always pay your statement balance in full by the due date to secure your financial future.
Let's look at the habits that hurt your score. Late payments, high utilization, closing old accounts, and applying for too many cards. But don't worry, there are solutions.
Let's break down credit versus debit. Credit cards offer better rewards and security, like zero fraud liability. But for daily spending and budgeting, debit is usually the move.
Paying only the minimum balance on a credit card can trap you in debt for years. Here's why, with easy math examples and how to pay it off faster.
To really maximize your rewards, you need to understand cashback, travel points, and welcome bonuses. The trick is utilizing these perks without spending more than you can afford.
I'm listing 10 common mistakes costing Americans thousands. Number 1, not budgeting. You need to track everything. Number 2 is ignoring your 401k match.
Let's talk about how to avoid paying interest completely. It comes down to 4 things: grace period, your statement balance, the due date, and smart payment strategies.
Phishing scams, fake bank calls, and identity theft are serious threats. But by following a few simple safety tips, you can protect yourself. Banks earn money primarily through interest on loans. They also charge interchange fees when you swipe your card, annual fees for premium cards.
To master your credit in 2026, focus on budgeting and maximizing rewards. Avoid fees, build that score, and secure your financial future.
Applying for your first credit card involves a few key steps. We'll look at eligibility, how to handle your credit history, income requirements, and my top tips for getting approved.
Banks often reject applications due to low scores or high debt. But by following these steps, you can significantly improve your approval chances.
Do you know the warning signs of poor credit card habits? Here are 10 things to look out for to improve your financial health.
Used responsibly, your credit card can build your credit score, earn you rewards, and give you financial flexibility without falling into debt.
You absolutely cannot afford to max out your cards or miss a payment. Cash advances seem easy, but they're traps. And ignoring the statements will ruin your credit.
And it comes down to 3 things: maximizing your rewards, utilizing purchase protection, and strategically building that excellent credit score. Here are some useful credit card tips. Avoid fees, maximize cashback, and boost your credit score to save money every year.
We're diving into how credit cards work, understanding APR, maximizing rewards, building your credit score, and avoiding common mistakes.
We're diving into the 10 most expensive credit card mistakes of 2026. Number 1, ignoring your utilization rate. This is absolutely critical for maintaining a high score.
We'll cover budgeting, the snowball method, and the avalanche method. Use balance transfers wisely, and you'll be on your way to staying debt-free.
By using the snowball or avalanche method, along with a solid budget and smart transfers, you can absolutely stay debt-free.
Your credit score is key, and it's mainly about paying on time and utilization. Don't close old accounts. Just focus on keeping balances low to improve your score.
Beyond the points, your card offers hidden benefits like purchase protection, extended warranties, travel insurance, and fraud alerts.
Let's talk about the biggest credit card traps. Watch out for high APRs, late payment fees, and especially only paying the minimum. Always pay more to save money.